A circle in the xy plane has a diameter with endpoints at 8, 10 and negative 2, 0. Which of the following is the center of the circle? So let's think about it. If you have some circle in the xy plane, so this is my best attempt at drawing a circle, and if you had two endpoints of a diameter, so let's say that this is a diameter right over here. It looks something like this. So let's say that's our diameter right over there, and if this point was the point negative 2, 0, and this was the point 8, 10, what would be the coordinates of the center of the circle? Well, the coordinates of the center of the circle is going to be the midpoint of these two endpoints of a diameter. In fact, the center of a circle is always going to be the midpoint of the two endpoints of the center of a diameter. If the diameter was this right over here, if the diameter was this over here, then once again, the center of the circle is the midpoint of that point and that point right over there. So to answer this question, we just have to find the midpoint of this point and this point right over there. And to find a midpoint, we just have to find the average of the x coordinates and the average of the y coordinates. So let's see, this is going to be 8. The x coordinate, the average of 8 and negative 2 is 8 plus negative 2 over 2. And the average of 10 and 0, well, we know that's 5, but we could say that's 10 plus 0 over 2. And let's see, 8 plus negative 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3, 5, and we see it right over there.